everyone, how are you? 22 minus 22, it is equal to 0 divided by 11 divided by 10. Now, 0 by 11 is equal to 0 divided by 10. So our answer will be equal to 0. But remember that this answer is incorrect. Now we will solve it by following order of creation. First of all, division is solved, not subtraction. So division is solved. Division is among 22 and 11. So 22 minus 22 divided by 11, this is equal to 11 twos are 22. So divided by 10. Now 22 minus 2 is equal to 20 divided by 10. Now 20 divided by 10, it is equal to 2. Hence 2 will be our answer. Thank you for watching.